Paul Davis Restoration and Remodeling is locally owned and operated, serving the Bowling Green community for over 26 years.
We had a fire that started in our home about 6 days from Christmas, and it was a pretty massive fire. Ended up having to gut the entire house. We didn't realize the extent of the fire until we actually got to come in and see it, and pretty much every room had been affected by the fire.
When crisis hits home, Paul Davis responds immediately and with highly skilled and trained personnel, establishing a reputation of performance, integrity, and responsibility.
We were outside till probably around 1:30 in the morning, and the thing that impressed me the most was our insurance agent had called someone from Paul Davis who came over, and they actually stayed with us until 1:30 in the morning. They made sure our house was boarded up and made sure things were secure before we left, and I knew then that we didn't have a choice. We were going to go with Paul Davis because I felt like if someone would come and sit with us and stay with us and comfort us during this time, then they had to be someone we could trust.
We work with your insurance company so you are never hassled.
Because of weather and good work and things that happened, we were able to quickly start the process. We were able to redesign our entire house.
It just meant a lot to us that they were willing to take the extra effort to make sure that things were done right and in a professional manner. We just feel so blessed.
You know, I'm so much more settled in this house. It feels more like our home now. I never thought that we would come back after a fire and feel like that it was all new, that it was a new beginning, that, you know, I thought there'd always be that hint of, oh, we had a fire. And although I didn't want or anticipate a fire, our house is so much nicer than I could have ever dreamed it could be.
For fire and smoke damage, water damage, mold issues, and storm damage, make just one call. Call Paul.